To connect your Oral-B IO Series 4 to the app, start by making sure your phone supports Bluetooth 4 or higher and that you've installed the latest version of the Oral-B app. Your toothbrush should be sufficiently charged before setup to avoid interruptions. Download the app, then sign in or create an account. Turn on Bluetooth and location services on your phone, since both are required for device detection. Next, press and hold the toothbrush power button for about 3 seconds until the light begins flashing, indicating pairing mode. In the app, tap Add New Brush and follow the prompts. Connection usually completes within seconds. Once paired, you unlock smart features like a 2-minute timer with quadrant pacing, real-time pressure feedback, brushing history, brush head replacement reminders, and progress tracking for improved consistency. If the brush won't connect, confirm the blue pairing light is flashing. Restart Bluetooth on your phone or clear the Bluetooth cache if needed. Updating your phone's system software and the app often fixes random disconnects. For persistent problems, perform a factory reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds until the lights flash, then try pairing again.